Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ITचा शेतकरी. Here we are not just going to provide the knowledge, some ideas, some technologies, not only to the farmers. We are also going to provide the help, some learning materials to the students. The students which are from the IT CS backgrounds. So BCA students, MCA, MCS, BCS, like that engineering student, diploma student. So those are the from CS background students can communicate me. They can ask their all the doubts, subject related doubts, some personal their syllabus related, some project related, mini project related, abstract, synopsis, final report, project selection, from topic selection to project deployment till I can help you. That kind of knowledge I will share you. I can help you for live projects as well. And the pass out students also, I'm focusing to the pass out students who are not getting the jobs after pass out, after some 3 months, 6 months, since last 1 year they are not getting the job. That kind of students I will personally help you for getting the jobs, handling the social media like the platforms LinkedIn, Naukri.com, that kind of help. I can give you some tricks to get the jobs. I will help you for the languages courses, online video tutorials, online video lectures. I will arrange that. From languages perspective, I will focus on OOPS oriented languages. Basically, from C language, I will start initially from C language because it's the best language of all the languages. So from C language, C++, OOPS, like that, C sharp, .NET Core, .NET MVC. Coming to the database point of view, so in database, I will cover Microsoft SQL Server, then Oracle, then AWS Redshift database. And for code versioning, now in IT industry, GitHub is using mostly, and then SVN. So I will try to cover that. And from UI point of view, I will start from the HTML, CSS, Telerik controls, and then up to Angular. I will try to give you the courses, online video lectures through. And then coming to our scripting languages, JavaScript, jQuery, some Ajax controls. So here, what I will suggest you, you just give your response. It depends on your response, your curiosity, your interactions towards me. So based on that, now I will give you the time on weekends. Be interactive and do like, share, subscribe, give your feedback. Thanks.